Yeah, so I wanted a little light upgrade a little while ago. So I ordered these Purelux 9-inch lights on Black Friday. For the longest time I have been rocking these cheap Chinese lights on these winter beaters. But I was so pleased with these, so I decided that this car also needs a light upgrade. So it has already 42-inch cheap Chinese light on the roof and even cheaper 22-inch light on the front. And for the price, they have been doing their job okay. But now we have something else. So now we have straight competitor to those Purelux lights. And these are made by V-Light. So let's see what we have here. I have to say that these look pretty similar. So these are day running light models and these are not. But other than that, they are quite similar. But it's not the same frame if you look closely. So let's test these. I would say that these are pretty bright too. Yeah, I would say that even one of these is better than those Chinese lights. And these aren't even that expensive. So yeah. Let's get to installing. Yeah, home garage isn't best when it comes to the space. Next time that I have to take this bumper off, I'm probably gonna shout to myself for using these Phillips screws, but they are so shallow that I'm gonna stick to these. Should I leave it like this, just for shit and giggles? Because the Finnish road law says that all the additional lights have to be symmetrical. This wiring loom came with a button, but I'm not probably going to use it for now. Three or four, which is better? Which one do you prefer? Okay, so now we are testing side by side. And as you can see, Now we are disabling one of these lights so we can have a little bit more fear of a test. Noin, nyt on yksi. Okay, so here we have the Purelux lights. And here we have the Phoenix ones. This test seems to show that even though they have identical specs, I would say that these are a little bit more spotty than the Purelux ones. I don't really know if it shows on the camera or not, but let's take some drone shots and see more. Both of these lights are great and very happy with performance of both of the sets. Amazing value for your wallet. Choice really does come down to which kind of light pattern you prefer. See you guys next time. Bye.